Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you guys mural art or Buddha candle stand making. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So, let's get started. To make this DIY, we need glue, diya or clay lamp, candle, small statue of Buddha, foil paper, scissors, cardboard tray or box, acrylic colors, Fevicryl mold, 3D colors, paint brushes, foam sheets, tissue paper. Let's start. At first, cover the cardboard tray with foil paper like this. Now put the Fevicryl mold to straighten all the edges like this. Now cover the box with tissue paper with the help of glue and water like this. Now put the black acrylic paint on top of it like this. Now I am using Fevicryl mold like this way. Now paint with copper and golden acrylic colors, like this way. Now take the Buddha statue and paint with golden acrylic color, like this. Do it slowly. Let it dry. Then put the Buddha statue in the tray with glue. Now color the diya as you like. I am using brown and yellow acrylic colors, and then I am using golden and copper acrylic color. Then I am using 3D colors to highlight it finally, like this way. Now wait for some times to let the lamp dry. Now cut a black foam sheet same size of the tray. Put glue and place the tray on it like this. Apply glue on the back side of the diya and paste it. Now light up the candle. Our candle stand is ready. I hope this video will help you a lot. Please give me your feedback on comment section below. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.